All right, today's video is going to be going over the replacement of the output filter on your Inogen concentrator. So this will be the same type of procedure, very similar, whether you have the Inogen at home, which I have here in front of me, as our demonstration for today, or if you have like a G2, G3, G4, G5. All of them will be very similar. Biggest difference is in just the slight part numbers that you'll use. So if you have the Inogen at home, the Inogen G2 or G3, you're going to want to buy the part number RP107. So that one has these output filters that have the O-ring on them. And the biggest difference is the G4 and G5, so they'll be the RP404, and they have no gasket on them, just a little bit different way that they did it between the G4 and G5 and the prior models that they had. Both will come with a spanner wrench that we'll use to remove the cannula barb. So we'll put this on top there, and then we'll just turn it counterclockwise to remove. And there's our cannula barb. And then you'll notice inside is going to be our output filter. And could be helpful if you have something small like a little tiny screwdriver or something just to help pry that out. But there is our output filter. So I'm gonna grab a new one from our RP107 output filter kit to place in there. And your kit should come with 2 filters, so it's good for 2 changes. So you can see we got the one with the O-ring on it. So we'll make sure it's level inside. And then we're gonna take our cannula barb, and I like to start it with my hands first, just to make sure nothing cross threads. And get it a little snug on there. And then we'll take our spanner wrench, put it back over top, and then turn it clockwise. And again, just finger tight. We don't need to do it super tight for any reason. Just make sure it's finger tight on there. And that's all we need to do for our output filter. And again, just to reiterate, the process is the same across either your in-home or the portable concentrators. Just make sure to differentiate the part numbers, and I'll make sure to add those to this video as well in the description. That way you know the appropriate ones to purchase. Again, if you do need any of these parts, I have these available here at Main Clinic Supply, and we also have our tech support available if you have any other further questions on replacing your output filter kits.